In this video, we are going to overview key functions to work with text. There are left, right, mid, len, search and find functions. And we are going to talk why we are not using text function with text. Let's start. To learn text function, we are going to use default text lorem ipsum, which is used by many tools to test fonts. Left, right and mid functions are used to extract a specific part from the text given. Moreover, left and right function have a common structure. Reference to the cell containing text and number of symbols to extract. The second parameter is optional, so if we will leave it blank, the function will return only one symbol. Let's see it in practice. Given reference to our original text and hit an enter. This function returns only L, but if I would like to get the full word, I need to provide as a second parameter 5. For the right, we are going just to do the same, providing the reference to our text and giving 10 as a second parameter. We have received the last word of our text. Mid function will return you sequence from the mid part of the text. Therefore, you need not only provide number of symbols to return, but also from what symbol to start. For example, to make mid return me the second word, I need to provide the reference to the text, starting position is 7, and I would like that it will return me only 5 symbols. Hit an enter and we can see the second word from the text. Len function is a simple one and it calculates only the number of symbols that cell contains. As an example, our original text contains 231 symbols. Search and find do the same action. It scans text for specific part and returns position of the first instance. Both functions have the same structure. We need to provide what text to find, reference to original text and starting position. However, there is only one difference. Find is case sensitive, but search is not. We can see it with simple example. Let's find you in the original text. So I would like to find you in our original text. This is used with search function. And now doing the same with the find one. As we are using capital U, function return different results. Search function returns you from the second word, while find returns us you from the first word of the second sentence. Text function allows changing the format of the input. If we are going to check cell format and go to custom, we are going to find lots of examples that we may use as a second parameter of text function. We are going to see it in practice with slightly changing the way we can see results for find functions. So we are providing text, reference to the find function result, and now we need to provide the format we would like it to convert it to. As a result, you can see that we have not changed the values, however we have added spaces between all numbers in the input. That is why we may consider text function as a text one, but in fact it doesn't change the text but only the way it is presented. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing, share your questions and comments, and like this video. Cheers!